Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find from first principle the derivative with respect to x of the function y is equal to 2. Okay, so let's start. Now the key word here is from first principle. Now when you are asked to find from first principle, it means that we are going to use the limit definition. So from first principle, derivative dy dx is equal to limit as h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So first let f of x be equal to y. So f of x becomes, now because y is constant, we can write it as 2x raised to the power 0. So f of x plus h will then be 2 times x plus h raised to the power 0. Now this is the same as 2. So dy dx now becomes limit as h tends to 0, f of x plus h is 2 minus f of x is also equal to 2 over h. So which is equal to limit as h tends to 0, 0 over h. Now 0 over h, that will be equal to 0. So to summarize, the derivative of a constant is always equal to 0. Let's take another question. Next question. Find from first principle the derivative of y is equal to root x. So let y be equal to f of x. So f of x then becomes square root of x. So from first principle, dy dx becomes limit as h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Then we close the bracket. Now f of x plus h is equal to square root of x plus h. So we then substitute it in the formula. So limit as h tends to 0, f of x plus h is square root of x plus h minus square root of x over h. Now students are familiar with rationalizing from the denominator, but today I want you to know that you can also rationalize from the numerator. So let's do that. So we are going to have, we're looking at it, the conjugate of this becomes plus root x plus h plus. So to rationalize, so limit as h tends to 0, root x plus h minus root x over h times the conjugate. So root x plus h plus root x over root x plus h plus root x. So let's simplify further. So limit as h tends to 0, we have root x plus h minus root x times root x plus h plus root x over h times root x plus h plus root x. Now at the numerator, anytime you multiply a binomial by its conjugate, the result becomes difference of two squares. So in that case, we have limit as h tends to 0, so x plus h all squared minus root x over all squared h times square root of x plus h plus root x. Okay, and this is equal to limit as h tends to 0, you have x plus h minus x over h times square root of x plus h plus root x. So x minus x will go to 0. We have limit as h tends to 0, h over h times square root of x plus h plus root x. So this h will cancel, so that we have limit as h tends to 0, 1 over square root of x plus h plus root x. We are saying that as h tends to 0, at this point we cannot simplify further. So we substitute h to be 0. So 1 over h is 0 will be root x plus root x, which is 1 over root x plus root x is 2 root x. That is the final answer. We were Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you will be alerted. Bye.